Ever wake up feeling like your body's already been through a full day? Before you've even had your coffee, tight shoulders, a stiff lower back, maybe that nagging neck pain from sleeping the wrong way again. It's hard to think straight or stay productive when your body feels tense and locked up. You try quick fixes, maybe some pain meds, a hot shower, a few cracks here and there, but the stiffness always comes back. But what if you could prevent all of that starting with just 10 minutes a day? Today, I'll show you how to build a daily stretch routine that helps you move better, feel better, and start your day without pain. Hey there, and welcome to Mental Wealth Daily, your go-to place for small habits that lead to big change. Today, we're building a 10-minute stretch routine you can actually stick to. No fancy equipment and no fitness background needed. Part 1. Why stretching matters. Stretching isn't just for athletes or yoga lovers. It's how you maintain mobility, reduce stiffness, and boost circulation. Even a short routine can improve posture, relieve tension, and help you sleep better. The best part, you can do it in your living room, in your pajamas if you want. To stick with it daily, your stretch routine needs 3 things. Number 1, it has to be simple, no overthinking. Number 2, it should be repeatable so you're not guessing each day. And number 3, it has to feel good. This is about restoration, not punishment. We're aiming to stretch major areas: neck, shoulders, back, hips, and legs. Here's a 10-minute routine you can start today. Follow along or screen grab it for later. Number 1, neck rolls for 1 minute. Gently roll your neck clockwise and counterclockwise. Loosens neck and shoulders. Number 2, shoulder rolls and arm circles for 1 minute. Number 3, standing forward fold for 1.5 minutes. This loosens the hamstrings and decompresses the spine. Number 4, the cat-cow stretch for 1.5 minutes. On your hands and knees, inhale and arch your back, lift your head and tailbone. Exhale, round your spine, chin to chest. Move with your breath. This stretch loosens the spine and is great for your back and core. Number 5, the seated spinal twist for 1.5 minutes. This is great for digestion and spinal mobility. Number 6, the butterfly stretch for 1.5 minutes. This helps open up the hips and inner thighs. Number 7, the child's pose. Kneel down, bring your big toes to touch, and sit back on your heels. Stretch your arms forward and lower your forehead to the mat. Take a deep breath in and slowly let it go. This pose calms the nervous system, relaxes the spine, and relieves tension from the lower back. To make this a habit, pair your stretching with something you already do, like brushing your teeth or your morning coffee. You can even do most of these while watching Netflix. And remember, consistency beats intensity. Even if you don't feel super flexible now, you will with time. Stretching isn't just a physical act. It gives your brain space to breathe. It grounds you. It's a moment to pause and reconnect with yourself. And that's what mental wealth is all about. Daily habits that make life feel lighter. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a little extra energy and ease in their day. Drop a comment and let me know which stretch felt best or what you want to learn next.